a nice little treat here we want to try. Now, this is not part of the competition, but Spectacular Sweets has gifted us with a taste of their sweet creation. And I also want to get your opinions about what this tastes like, what your take is on this beautiful dessert that they served us. So thank you, Spectacular Sweets, for bringing us out as well. Extreme happiness. You have to get it open. Yeah, you do. Does everybody have a fork?
I don't know.
Stevie, we need fork.
No, I need a fork. But I do.
Spoon right here, Larry.
Oh, there we go. Even better.
That adrenaline hit is hard. Can't beat it. You can't. I miss that. I miss that.
Do we know what we have here?
It's like cheesesteak.
It's a cheesecake?
Tastes like it. Cheesecake.
This is their most popular dessert.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
It's good. Oh, wow. Yeah, really good.
What is this?
Me? Okay. I'm not a dessert person, but I do like cheesecake. With my cheesesteak. So, that beautiful lady over there loves cheesesteak. She should be the one to sample.
This is Spelltacular Sweets, and it's spectacular. So it's bold, crunchy, soft. It's got coconut shavings on top, I think. It's all around good.
They call this a vanilla bean cheesecake from Spelltacular Sweets.
Watch that. That color's gotta go on.
There you go.
Yeah, I don't know, I'm a fat kid that doesn't like cake, and I'm fat, so I love cheesecake. So. I definitely have a sweet tooth. So. This is really delicious. For whatever reason, I'm tasting pineapple with coconut, definitely like Brett was saying, some vanilla, the creaminess. Yeah, this is tasty. It's really nice.
I mean, how much more to be said that hasn't already been said? But this is so rich and it's not heavy. I mean, I could easily sit there and that's the biggest problem with cheesecake. It's so heavy and it sits on you. This is light, airy, but still has all that richness with it. Absolutely.
I know. The cheesecake was great. I mean, cheesesteak. I mean, it goes.
They came here to play.
That's it. Cheesecake was good. Oh, see, there we go.